If you're a student, you can get free Amazon Prime for up to 6 months and then half off after that. That's called Prime for Young Adults. There's a link in the description that will take you to this page that's 6 month free trial of Amazon Prime for $0. You'll also get 5% cash back, which you don't get with the regular Prime membership, but you do get it with Amazon Prime for Young Adults. So you can be a student or you can just be between 18 and 24 years old. You don't actually even have to be a student. You'll verify as one of those, and then you get this 6 month free trial. If you're not between 18 and 24 years old, you can still click on this link and get a 30-day free trial or Prime Access, which is like 50% off of Amazon Prime if you qualify with financial need, etc. But this is it. This is how you can get that Amazon Prime free for students for 6 months, which is basically about the whole school year. And then you get it for 50% off. After that, you get all the Prime benefits, including an extra one of 5% cash back. And there's also exclusive offers with Amazon Prime Student, which is now called Amazon Prime for Young Adults. That's how you can get Amazon Prime free if you are a student or if you're between 18 and 24 years old.